Morning, everybody. This is Al from V-Line Clamp. Bright and early Saturday morning. Outrageously cold weather this last week. Gonna get hit again this coming week, so I thought I'd put a video in, show you the progress. Windows are hung. You cannot imagine how heavy those windows are. I'm figuring there's at least $100,000 worth of windows on this house. Not to drop any numbers, but hey, it is what it is. These are not just your typical doors. We're going to put car siding on this ceiling today, hopefully, because right now it's not really muddy back here. It's been hard to get in and out. In the back, there's many times we almost slid off, so they had to bring over and put more dirt to level this out. Some of the work we've done, you can't even see. There's another fireplace. There's one right there, and then there's another one on top of that one. Big window, big window on top. The beams alone were bare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Steel beam holding these TGIs. This is actually, when you're in there, you're gonna feel like you're kind of outside because of these big doors. And it's not heated like the rest of the house is, but it will be heated by this fireplace if they ever use it. I'm gonna have hanging heaters according to the homeowners. Big sliding doors, sliding door. A lot of deck. It's gonna be a massive deck here. And then the deck's gonna continue out, go down the side about 5 feet out. So people coming out of this room, out of this area, can go over to that side or stroll on over to this deck right here. And if they're not happy with hanging out on that deck, they can hang out on the other deck. The deck guys are gonna make some dollars on this. This house is outrageously close to the water, and there's still gonna be a pool right there. So when you're in this house, especially upstairs, you're gonna feel like you're sitting right on the water. They made an exception for this lot because there's a gas line going across the front and they have to be so many feet away from it. So they made an exception for this house being this close to the water. I don't know if that's a plus or a minus. Comment, tell me what you think. I'll show you a video later on what it looks like from inside the house if I don't get to it right now. This is a free forklift job. Yesterday we hung that giant window in the back and then put car siding on the front porch. Hey, you're in luck. I'm gonna go ahead and walk in the house so you can basically see how awesome it is to be on this, in this house. Don't mind the munching, I'm eating a donut. First thing in the morning, gotta have my fuel. So, you're in this house having coffee, looking outside. Tell me you don't feel like you're right on the water. And these doors, like I said, they're not little cheapies. So you'll be able to walk out on this deck, naturally. And you know there's another deck going there because they're not gonna let you just walk out to the to nothingness. So comment on what you think. Would you have a house like this? I'm sure most of you would. There's catwalk up there, vaulted. I built those curved stairs. I'm so proud of them. They were a bear to build, but it keeps me practicing. I don't think I built one lately. I think it's been 7 years. In fact, you could probably pull it up on YouTube. I call it the snake stairs because it is a circle. Anyway, there's a little bit of land down there. For those of you following me that are construction workers and are working today, I understand why, because of the weather. And for my friends that are following me, thank you for your support. This is Al Cruz from V-Line Clamp, signing off. Have a great day.